There's a place where the everyday rush slows and calmness fills the air. Stepping outside, you feel the soft brush of a gentle breeze as it weaves through the trees. The warmth from the fire pit radiates nearby, inviting you to let go and settle into the moment. You ease into a comfortable seat, feeling the warmth on your skin as the flames flicker gently against the evening air. There's a quiet magic here. Something about the simplicity of watching firelight dance against a backdrop of green. It's an experience that slows time, a gentle reminder to enjoy the small, peaceful moments that are so easy to overlook. Around you, soft lights cast a golden glow on the lush greenery, enhancing every texture and shadow. The combination of warm firelight and gentle garden lighting creates an inviting, cozy atmosphere that feels like a hug from nature itself. Here there's no rush, no lists or deadlines, only the quiet invitation to be present, to let worries drift away and enjoy this small sanctuary of peace. In this setting, each breath feels deeper, each moment more vivid. It's more than just a backyard. It's a place that invites you to reconnect with a sense of calm, a reminder that moments of rest are as valuable as any other part of life. You find yourself surrounded by elements that soothe, a balance of warmth, light, and nature that creates an effortless feeling of relaxation. This is a space that brings comfort and clarity, a reminder of life's simple pleasures and the importance of slowing down. If this glimpse of calm inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas to transform your space into a peaceful retreat. Let's create moments of tranquility wherever we can.